have an idea, Lonnie. This will be really fun. Okay, so we're gonna put food in here.
Ah!
Stop.
Not for me.
It went back there. It was just like a little speck.
Shay.
Hi.
So anyways, guys, it's Saturday, and it's like 2.
Okay, Lonnie, keep all your stuff on your side for a sec.
Okay.
I'm gonna move stuff around.
I just ate lunch in the car, and we're headed down to like a trail. I'm going on a Sabbath walk with our family, and we have Ryan and Kiko in the back.
Lonnie, do you mind if I sit here?
I don't care. Is it gonna be for the whole ride though?
Yeah.
What?
Just so that the dogs can go here, you know, have a little more space. Don't worry.
No, I don't think that's supposed to be on there when it's tipped. Oh, it's not supposed to be there when it's tipped.
I think it's okay though, I mean.
If that's gonna be the case, you might as well move up to the other.
See?
Fine. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna go on a walk.
Hello. You can go up here.
I saw my church heron.
Her cute church hair. Tutorial coming soon.
I already did one.
Never mind. Ew, he's getting spit on the window.
You see why I didn't want him by me. Anyways, guys, I'm surprised, but like at certain angles and light, the camera makes me look like perfectly tan, and everybody like it makes everything orange.
I'm really yellow, I just realized.
I'm yellow and red.
No, you're just, yeah, you are actually. Let me see. This is our dog.
Right, you're holding it the wrong way. My hands.
I know, I just wanted to.
And there's Kiko.
Kiko. Hello. Kiko. Hello.
Kiko, look at the camera.
Family photo. Woo!
Hopefully this is a thumbnail because I always do automatic thumbnails. No, automatic. Wait, I actually might change the thumbnail. Okay, let's. Ew, Kiko, we don't want to see your butt.
Okay, you're gonna have to.
Yeah, I'm red and yellow. Like the outer skirts on my face, it's like kind of yellowish. Like this is like yellow. And then like the toxic sign, pretend like I have a toxic sign on my face.
What's a toxic?
Like you know, like the toxic sign. That's like boom, boom, boom. It's like my red. And I have like yellow.
And I brought these chips.
Anyways, it's gonna get long. Awkward close-up faces. You.
Big booty beauty.
I'm gonna turn up the volume just from that part. So guys, we are so the trail we were gonna walk on, we had to spend money, and it was like actual like money, so not like you could like, yeah, cash, actual money. It was cash. We had to pay cash, so we decided to just go into town. We're gonna walk to like a park, and yeah, just spend a nice family day. Hi guys, standing on the water. So guys, the sky's actually really perfect right now. So look how perfect the sky is. Anyways, okay, head back to the car. I just ate ice cream, which was was like bigger than my hand, guys. It was like mind blown. And it's like this flavor burst thing, so it's just like vanilla ice cream with like flavors like kind of like surrounding it kind of. And I got blue goo, which is like cotton candy. The name, not the most appetizing. The look, is amazing. But yeah, we're in the car headed home. Yeah, we walked on the area that I was staying in with the water kind of a bit more. And yeah, I made a Musical.ly, so check it out my Musical.ly accounts. Yolani.Brown. Leave it in the description. But guys, my phone's like reflecting. Anyways. Oh, it's unlocked. So I'm getting into the key.
Are you a tired boy?
And when I plug in my phone, I'm gonna watch some more Musical.lys. Actually, I'm not gonna watch more. I'm gonna watch the one I made. It's on private because I didn't have Wi-Fi and I can't use data for like that. But yeah, I'm gonna watch some of my old ones. My hair's all like messed up from the wind, but that's I. And guys, I'm sorry if I'm like vlogging. I vlog, but then I forgot to like close them, and I'm like, okay, like this is not
Good boy.
worthy.
Here, shake.
Hi.
Hi.
Lani, you weren't supposed to get in, because how am I supposed to get in? Sit.
Climb over.
Yeah, lay down.
Ooh, you almost got his tail.
And
Okay, Lani.
climb over.
Lani, no. I need space.
You.
So, Lonnie, let Cheyenne.
I know.